Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Sparrow Wallet for improved hardware wallet support, full guide step by step clearly. To update Sparrow Wallet for improved hardware wallet support, start by launching the Sparrow Wallet application on your device. Locate the current version number displayed on the main screen to check if an update is needed. Visit the official Sparrow Wallet website to find the latest version available for download. Click on the download link that corresponds to your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your device's file manager. If you are using Windows, double-click the .exe file to start the installation process. For macOS users, open the .dmg file and drag the Sparrow Wallet icon into the Applications folder. Linux users should extract the tar.gz file and follow the included installation instructions for their specific distribution. After the installation process is complete, open Sparrow Wallet again. Navigate to the Settings or Preferences section within the application. Look for an option labeled Hardware Wallets or similar to access the updated features. Connect your hardware wallet to your device using a compatible USB cable. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection between Sparrow Wallet and your hardware wallet. Review any new features or settings that enhance hardware wallet support. Test the connection by initiating a small transaction or checking your wallet balance. If everything works smoothly, you have successfully updated Sparrow Wallet. For any issues during the update, consult the Sparrow Wallet documentation or support resources available on their website. Now you are ready to take full advantage of the improved hardware wallet support in Sparrow Wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.